want to check out the McLaren. Check that out. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? So many McLaren. Is that a P1? What's up? And if you go like that way, you'll see the dealership for Lamborghini. It's like real close by here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So just for the hell of it.
It's a P1, huh?
Yeah.
It's a million, right? Over a million, right?
Alright, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, see, man.
Alright, guys. So this is a P1. Isn't it crazy? Only time I've seen one is Starboy. What do you call it? The music video. P1, that is amazing. I don't know too much about cars. I just know this one's supposed to be limited edition and super fast. I'm gonna race these one day. Watch, I'm gonna race one day. Carbon fiber, that's amazing. And then we got a McLaren. What is this? 650, I think. Yeah, 650S. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over there. Let's get back to riding. I will race you one day. Until next time, McLaren. Hello, other McLarens. 1, 2, 3, 5 of them, man. How crazy is that? And a P1. Look at that. Oh, that was fun. That was that Lexus or Acura car, NSX or NXS, something like that. I don't know. That's what I'm talking about. I thought I was gonna have fun with this guy, but he leaving. What's going on here? That was raw. Let's go. That's what I wanted. I was waiting for him to gun it because I was looking in the mirror, in my side mirror, and he wasn't going. Like, I was beating him still, so I was waiting. I wanted him to pass, and then I wanted to go. It's hard to look in both places at the same time, but I get used to it. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was some sort of Beamer. I didn't really do it that much because it wasn't an M series, but it was still fast. But it wasn't an M series, so I kept it in the sport mode. Didn't go full throttle. I didn't go in race mode because, once again, not a Beamer M series, but still fast, not gonna lie. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe only because you love me and I love you guys. And is that an M6? No, I kind of want to rest. And I kind of want a fast car to come. Oh, that was fun. Okay, we'll just go now. F it. F it. I'm sorry, F it. Now I'm kind of curious if the rear camera caught it or not. I don't think it did, because it only has a 32GB memory card. So let's find out. I'm just curious. Really quickly, I'll look. That is splurge when I can't. Yay, it caught it! Alright, we're gonna close this. Now we'll leave it. Oh, I caught it. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, good. Oh, that is so nice. That was so nice. You gotta say thank you to her. She thought I was stranded. That's so nice of her. See, nice people still exist. I feel so happy. So, shoot, that was so nice of her. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Shout out to her, man. God bless her. That was really nice of her. I can't get over it. That was super nice of her. Ferrari. That was nice. Nice! I'm gonna be honest. If these were sport bikers, I would go behind them. But since they're not, I go to the front. She's pretty. Old. Sorry, I forgot to add that part. Pretty old. I still get jealous. You're so sexy, beautiful, and everybody wants to taste. That's why I'm on her phone. But she looks kind of cute, so we'll let her pass on that. No lie, she got distracted looking at me. She's looking at her side view mirror and R1. She looked at her side view mirror and she's like, oh God, I don't want that. And she didn't realize that the light was open. So see, I am a distraction to the world of hotness because of hotness. Let's do it. Riding my pony, my saddle.